This will help you with your vertical and horizontal asymptotes. If you can graph these ones, you should be able to graph those. The only difference is that our asymptotes will be dashed lines where our graphs won't touch it. So number 1, y equals 6. Auden, explain what that looks like on your paper.
On the board?
No, let's just explain it.
Like you go to 6 on the y-axis, and you draw a line horizontally.
Horizontally, so it should be going horizontally through y equals 6. Okay, so obviously you should have circled it's a horizontal line. Any questions on that one? So that means number 2 most likely is probably going to be the opposite. Bianca, what does yours look like on number 2?
We go to the -3 on the x, and then do a vertical line.
Yep, vertical lines through the x at -3. Perfect. I want you guys to take out your assignment that I gave you yesterday. We're going to go through answers 1 through 4, just to make sure you guys got those. And then we're going to finish. You in here? You in here? Then you also missed vocab on it, so make sure you get the next infinity from the vocabulary book. Anybody else need one? Lost theirs? Alright, you guys are supposed to do 1, 2, and 4. I believe we did 3 as a class. 1 and 4 are the exact same answers, so we're just going to describe answers 1 and 2. Who has the answer for number 1? Dustin, what'd you get?
Alright, so the vertical, I got 0. I got x equals 0. Horizontal, y equals 0. The domain is all real numbers except 0. The range is all real numbers except 0.
Perfect. Any questions? Number 2, where's that one? What do you got?
All 1.
It's just all 1. Verticals, x equals 1. Horizontals, y 1. How would you say domain and range though?
All numbers except 1.
Yep. So both of them for domain and range are all real numbers except 1. Okay. We didn't go through the graphing part yet, but the graphing, hello. Oh, yes. That's overdue, sorry about that. Can you get the door? So 5 through 10, we haven't gone through the graphing, but I know you guys can make a table of values based on last year and what we've done this year. So I want you guys with your shoulder partner just to create your own table of values and then graph it. Make sure you graph your vertical and horizontal asymptote like we did on the bell work. The equations are on this paper that I gave you yesterday, but do all your work right below your bell work. Okay, so your table of values and all your work should go on another paper. Your graphs go back on the paper I gave you yesterday. So work on it with your table partner or your shoulder partner.
Domain is x value, right?
Which one? The one from yesterday? Yeah, and then can you move up here and work with her? And you guys are working together?
This is domain or x values, right?
Yes. Yeah, good question. Everybody look at your table of values. For your table of values, notice I have an undefined spot in the middle. Okay, x value where it's undefined, it's not always going to be 0. Okay, it's wherever your x is 0, which hopefully you remember from yesterday when you took the vocab. If not, take your vocab out, and I'll tell you where to identify x as 0. Then you just need to take 5 x values to the left, 5 to the right, and then plug it in, graph it. So see what you can do on that. If you have questions, let me know.
4, -4, and then 4 squared.
Alright, so I say -5, 4. I should say 0 might not be undefined, right?
whichever the hex one is. So I will.
Where's it on the line?
The undefined part though, the specific one, or the specific X value. You know, what would make this undefined? What X value? Well, look at this.
So negative, you have to change plus -2, and if you wanna do that, so one to their bracket. You have to get the bottom one.
You never divide by 0.
No. Well, no, hold on. I'm gonna tell you why. Because I'm fairly positive since we're not